Here's how you can generate social media posts using AI for Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and Instagram. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any steps. First you will need to go to your Chrome browser. Then in the Chrome browser you have to search for the Social.Bee website. After that you have to click on any social platform for which you want to generate post. Here I'm gonna click on the Facebook. After that, as you can see, it gives me various prompts. By using these prompts I can generate posts as many as I want. Here I'm gonna select this prompt. You can customize it according to your needs. Here you can select tone of voice, your content type, words limit, and even you can select hashtags, generate hashtags, and even you can select the number of posts. After selecting all of this, now you have to click on the generate option. Now it will give you the generated results. Now you can copy this and can use on your Facebook posts. Here you can also create posts for TikTok by clicking on these prompts. Once you selected your desired post, now you have to customize it according to your needs. Here all the process will remain same. After clicking on the generate button, it will give you the various results. Then from here you can select any of your desired posts. So this is how you can generate social media posts using AI for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.